Good day to everyone. Ipakita lang natin yung pinagawa sa atin ni Sir P of General Santos City. So we Glock 17 ito. Pina-upgrade ni Sir. Hindi pa natin nailagay yung red dot. So production optics. Hindi pa kasi natin na-test. So ipakita lang natin yung ginawa natin dito sa unit. Nagpalagay si Sir ng adjustable 4UAD trigger, and then steel trigger lever, tsaka high impact hammer roller na V3. So yung nito, yung trigger pull nito is ganyan lang. And then gumagana pa rin po yung safety ng trigger. Yan, wala po siyang accidental discharge. So until ma-push yung safety na yon, hindi po yan puputok. So, ayun. And then, fixed barrel, unicorn inner barrel, then 4UAD, yun, 4UAD, cup rubber, then TTI chamber. So, ito po yung initial test. Papakita ko lang po yung initial test niya. Yun lang naman po yung pinagawa ni Sir. So, initial test for Sir P of General Santos City, BG-17, firing. Okay. So, yun po siya. Initial test. So, thank you very much, sir.